In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Temu reviews to your Shopify store. Unfortunately, since Shopify doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find the widget button. Simply hover over it, and then I want you to focus on the review section right here. From here, if you go down a bit, you will see all-in-one reviews. Click on that, and then that's going to take you to the all-in-one reviews widget page. From here, scroll down a bit, and then you will see this create widget for free button. Simply click on it, and then you'll be taken to the reviews template section. So on the left hand side here, you have a bunch of different review templates that you can choose from, and then on the right hand side, you can have a little preview of what each of these templates would look like on your Shopify website. In this case, it is on a desktop, but if you click right here, you can also change to mobile view just in case your website is browsed through a mobile device, and you can see what each of the templates would look like as well. But yeah, in my case, I'm going to go for a carousel widget right here. So let's go back to desktop, and then once you've selected the template that you want to go with, go ahead and click on continue this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Bear in mind that the design of the template that you see here is not final. We can actually customize this further in this section. But before we do that, we first need to get the reviews from Temu and connect them to the widget. What you want to do is underneath more platforms, click on custom right here. And then what you want to do is underneath source name, type in Temu, and then where it says source icon, simply upload the Temu logo, or alternatively, you can just link it through a URL. In my case, I'm going to upload it as a file. By doing that, it allows us to make the review look a lot more authentic. So what you want to do next is add the reviews. Unfortunately, we are going to have to add them manually, but that shouldn't be too big of a problem, and it's also pretty quickly. So what I have to do is go to Temu, copy a couple of reviews, and just put them in here. So review text, simply paste the review, then add the person's name. So for example, Peter Smith, and then you can add a photo of the person if you want. Then choose the star rating, could be 3 stars, 1 star, whatever. Then you can also even add your own reply here if you wanted to. Then you can also add some more photos. So for example, if it's a product, you can add some photos right here. Once you are done with that, click on done. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate these just like that, and I'll have 3 of them. But yeah, as you can see, this is what it looks like. Super nice and clean. And once you've added all the different reviews from Temu right here, to the left hand side of the screen right here, which is where you will see layout, header, review, style, and settings. These are all different settings and functionalities that you can kind of like change around here and customize the Temu reviews template to your liking. So for example, if you go to header right here, we can actually remove every element that you see on here. So for example, let's just suppose that we don't want the rating to appear on the top here. Just clicking on this will disable it, and it will just take it off. As you've already seen, any change that you make on the left hand side here will automatically reflect on the right hand side as well. That basically allows you to keep track of any changes that you make in real time. But yeah, as you can see, there's loads of different things that you can customize here. I'm not going to get into too much detail about everything, so I'll just leave this up to you to explore and customize the template to your liking. But once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Once your widget is saved, what you want to do next is publish it. So in the top right corner of the screen right here, you will see a green publish button. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for the free plan right here. As you can see, it says supports 1 widget. However, if you want to use more than 1 widget, like 3, 9, whatever, or if you want to unlock more functionalities, then you can always go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different ones that you can go with. But in my case, since this is just a tutorial, I'm going for the free plan right here. As you can see, current plan. So yeah, once you've selected a plan that you want to go with, you will automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your Temu review template. So this is what it's going to look like. And here all you have to do is simply copy code and head over to Shopify so we can integrate it. Now, as you can see, I'm already in my Shopify editor on the home page, which is exactly where I want my Temu reviews to be displayed. So underneath template, I'm going to click on add section right here. And then from this window, go down and you will see custom liquid. Click on that, and then the custom liquid section will be added right here. Now, it doesn't need to be on the bottom. You can actually shift it any way you want on the page. But in my case, I'll just keep it here. Then just click on this, and then underneath liquid code in this box, paste the code we just copied previously from Elfside, give it a couple of seconds, and then your Temu reviews should be displayed on your Shopify website. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Super nice and clean. Don't worry about this panel right here. This is only visible by us, just in case you want to make any changes to the widget, like adding or removing reviews or customizing it further. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add Temu reviews to your Shopify website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.